Hello and welcome to another edition of the PE Alliance's Field Series, where today we're in the Bay Area of California with our friends R&B Company and Pipeline Plastics. The purpose of today's unique video is to understand the effects of high pressure water inside of polyethylene pipe. Many utilities will use high pressure water to remove debris from the inside of their pipeline systems. Let's take a look at what we put together.
R&B Company has a huge representation in Northern California. We have a great team that works in product, service, and equipment. When we bring those components together to the end user, the contractor, and engineering, it makes for a fantastic product. So September of 2018, we had a PE Alliance Roadshow, City of San Francisco, and some of their senior engineering team came to us and asked, can we high pressure jet HDPE in their sewer application? This is something they practice on a regular basis with other products, so they want to know if the HDPE can handle high pressure nozzling, and we're going to show them how to do that today.
Polyethylene does not have a lot of the issues of the legacy pipes. You don't get corrosion, you don't get scale and buildup. It's a very, very slick material. Nothing really adheres to it. This test is really was designed for some of the legacy materials because they did have issues and problems with that. You'll see much, much less, if any, with the polyethylene pipe due to some of those characteristics. Properly designed and installed and specified, you'll get a good 100 years out of this pipe, possibly more. That's a design life, and we're very confident that it can provide that. And again, some of it's due to its very tough features. The fusion as well helps a lot. You don't get root intrusion or some of those other things in that because you don't have joints that you do have with the legacy materials. With polyethylene and any pipeline, you could have some coagulation of grease from restaurants and everything like you mentioned, but really it's not going to adhere to polyethylene like it does to those other materials. It would probably flush away just with high flows that you get through the system sometimes. Or if it was a really serious area, you could probably do some jetting on it. And we'll be able to prove that with this test today. Yeah, this is the actual sample of the pipe that we used in the water jet test. And we actually got up to 4,900 PSI on this. As you can see, it's very clean, which was the intent, but there's no damage at all. The pipe came through very well, which is what we anticipated. The HDPE may deflect to the intense localized stresses from the water jetting, but due to its semi-crystalline structure and high strain capacity, HDPE can withstand these forces and return to its original state without yielding, cracking, or spalling.
My name is James Rodebaugh. I'm the quality manager at Pipeline Plastics. These are the samples that were sent off for high pressure testing. This sample here had no pressure. These samples in the middle had a medium pressure, and this sample here had high pressure, and the company removed the inside bead to check to see if there was any damage after the testing was completed. This is the sample that had high pressure, and with the bead removed, the circle on our screen displays where the middle of the bead was. And as we move this forward, we can tell that there's no damage to the inside wall of this pipe.